Privacy concerns are everywhere these days, and that's why it's a great idea to switch to an app like Signal. Signal helps keep your messages private, holding as much data as possible on remote servers. If you're looking to dive into group messages on Signal, here's how to do it. If you want to create a group, you'll have to do this on the Signal app on your phone. Tap on the pencil icon and then select New Group. From here, you can select contacts to add or enter phone numbers for people not on your contact list. Tap on the arrow in the bottom right corner and Signal will determine what kind of group it can create. If everyone has the latest version of Signal, the app will prompt you that it can create a new group with all of its latest features. If some contacts have an older version of Signal and have yet to update their apps, Signal will prompt you that it can only create a legacy app. Tapping on Learn More will show which contacts need to update their app. If you're on Android and have added a number that's not on Signal, the app will notify you that it can only create a standard MMS group. This feature isn't supported on iOS. With that in mind, you can edit the list of people to add to the group from this screen on Android. Just tap on a contact to bring up the option to remove it from the list. Once you're okay with the group type and member list, type in a group name if you're creating a legacy or new group, and then tap on Create. For MMS groups, you'll need to send a message to have the chat appear in your chat list, and your other members may have to accept a message request before they can message inside the group. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Signal and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.